What's up, real family? I'm here with a quick video. You guys, I've been waiting to purchase one of these forever. I only paid $6 for one of them. The original one I think I wanted was like $20, but we got this from Walmart, as you can tell. And these are the cones I decided to buy. So, let's open this real quick and see what it's like. So does it require batteries? I don't know, we're gonna find out. It shouldn't require batteries, should it? Because it's a smoke ball. Shut up. It already came with cones in it. This is diabolical. Alright, so what's this? Backflow cones, dragon blood. That's crazy. I'm glad I didn't buy the dragon bud. The dragon cones. Okay, so this is how it looks coming out of the box. Nice, isn't it? Alright, so we're gonna put it like this. Can y'all see it? No. There we go. Okay, so. And let's use one of Dragon Bloods. I don't know what that's gonna smell like, but let's use one. So we'll put it right here. Goodness, I hope it stays. I don't really like that, but alright. Or do I put it like this? I don't know. Let's look at the box. What's the box say? Nope. Do it just like that. It's just like that. Alright, let's light it. I'm nervous. Fire went out. Let's see. Hold up. So apparently I can't necessarily use these. They said to use Backflow foams only. The ones with the holes at these bottoms. And these are regular cones. So I can use these, but they're not gonna work as well for the thing. So let's see how this works. Alright, it's supposed to have a hole in it. It's supposed to be burning. Hey Jay. Cause why is it burning so slow? Can y'all see it? It's doing it. It's doing it. So far it's just right there. Let's see if it goes down there to the bottom. Look at that. It's filling up with more smoke. And it's supposed to go all the way down to the bottom. Look, it's getting down there. This is crazy work. Look at the smoke. This is crazy. The way the smoke is falling as if it's like drops of water falling. What is it called? It's called an incense backflow cone with dragon blood cones. You know, you just grab stuff and don't read it. Yeah. Like I said, luckily I get the dragon cones. Yeah, I'm just trying to see his bottom get filled. Oh, some wind comes from somewhere and keep throwing it off. upload it a little bit. Your favorite one, just diabolical. Look, there go the smoke. It's filling up the bottle. Y'all see it? I don't really know what it smells like. Y'all know how it sees. My nose a little messed up. Yeah! This one I'm over here doing. I'm watching this fill up. For a video. It's a video. She said, oh, you're bored. It's a video. It's so cool. Okay, y'all. I paid like $7 for this at Walmart. They have other fragrances, of course. This one came with dragon blood cones. I don't know if they have other fragrances that already come in the box, but go check it out. This is really cool. I really like this. And I could really probably put an incense up in this thing. I don't know. We'll see. But make sure you like, share, come subscribe, and subscribe for more videos. I got more items coming. Check me out. Peace.